So hello and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So as you can see, it's a mouse who is hanging with his tail within. So let's get started with some black color. Where is my black color? Where it is? I found it. First of all, his black hair is like this. Okay. It's done, and now his red eyes, some sort of and his little tail hanging from the tree. Okay, and now his little belly lying in this color. Okay, you can use another color whatever you want, it's all up to you, it's not mine. Okay, and now let's get to this air just like this. And this yellow color nose, it's a comedy mouse, not too much, it's a thief mouse, you know. And I'll show something extra, something in this later on the video. So let's get started with this. Just do some drawing. Okay, it's almost done. And now for the tree area, like this. Okay, and as you can see, it's a leaf, only one single leaf. Okay, and now his hand, this color. Done. Okay, and now here just I gather a piece of tissue like this. Okay, and do this. Okay, another one. And see the difference between this drawing and this drawing. Okay, I'll show you again. Okay,